Hello, this is Krysdavar, and today I'm going to be opening a blaster box of 2021 Topps Series 1 baseball cards. Each box contains 7 packs, plus the pack of the 70th anniversary patch card. Yeah, there's the checklist there. Pretty cool, I guess. Yeah, I purchased a few of these at my LCS. Not too many, just 4 of them. Just 4 of them I purchased at my LCS of all places because I still have not found any retail stuff anywhere. But, oh well. I'll just continue to check my LCS for stuff. And we'll see that. Oh, here's the first medallion I got. There's that. The first patch card. That one. Johnny Bench. Pretty cool. I'll put that there on display. Alright. So here we go. Let's get this open. I wanted to have that in the background, but from the start, but it might have interrupted my spiel at the beginning. Alright, so there we go. Empty boxes. Empty. Put that back there. Okay. Here's the patch card. Alright. And the 7 packs. So let's do this first. Let's do the patch card first. Oh my gosh, chaos. He's gonna do the goodie card first. What's going on? Krysdavar, don't do it. Oh no. Here we go. Patch card time. Oh, it's always backwards. And it's Eddie Matthews. Oh, nice. Nice card. Hall of Famer from the Milwaukee Braves. All right. So there's the other one I got. Pretty cool. Collect them all. Okay, so let's get in these packs. By gripping and ripping. All right. Really like these cards this year, especially because of the logo. The logo on each card makes it a really nice. Sean Doolittle, Josh Bell. Josh Bell rings a bell. Josh Bell rings a bell. I pulled him out of a 2014 draft the other day. It's pretty cool. Out of a subscription box. Tampa Bay Rays. Dabbing. Been a while since I've seen dabbing. Juan Soto's regular card. He's not a rookie anymore. Oh no. Let's see. Cabrera. Plico Gonzalez. Contreras. And then here's an insert. Freddie Freeman. Nice. And Garrett Cole. Keller. Profar. And Will Smith. Not that Will Smith. Rounds out the first pack. All right. Next pack. Cracking packs and making stacks. All right. Brady Singer. Verdugo. What? Alex Verdugo is on the Red Sox, huh? Sandoval. Rojas. Mitch Moreland. His name reminds me of Keith Moreland from back in the day. There's Mike Trout. Shane Bieber. Not to be confused with Justin. Matthew Boyd. There's a pretty cool card. Brooks Robinson. Platinum players. Nice die cut there. And then Joey Votto. Throwback card. All right. Mercado. Nimmo. I'm having trouble reading these for some reason. Adam Frazier and Charlie Morton. Just the text is weird. It's like small. Oh well. I do what I can with my oldness. So Brewers team card. Yamaguchi. Flaherty. Archer. Get on camera. League leader card. Voigt. Reddick. Oh, there's a Chrome card back there. All right. Gratterall. Future star card. Jimenez. Oh, check it out. JD Martinez chrome card. It's not numbered. That's weird. That's pretty cool. Insert there. Gleyber Torres behind there of that. Pretty cool. All right. Matt Chapman, Soria, and Brinson. Rounds out that pack. All right, get there. Got a chrome card. Pretty cool. All right, so we have the Yankees. Andrew Benintendi. John Gray. Trump. Not Trump. Trump. Elbows only. Rookie card of Madrigal. Alec Bohm. Rookie card. And there's the regular 35th anniversary card. Right. I believe it's 1988. Then there's that insert. I guess there's one of these in each pack. Wow. There's a lot of these. Ooh, let me get this over here. All right. Let's see. What Merrifield, Riley, Taylor, and Urshela rounds out that pack. Jack. All right. Gozman. Max Scherzer. Dodgers team card. Garrett Richards. Future star card of Gavin Lux. Seems like he's been around a while already, but he's still a future star. Iglesias. David Bodie. Oh, there's something. Foily back there. John Lester. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Adam Frazier. It's not numbered. It's like a silver foil. Something. Silver foil something. Parallel. And there's that. Eric Boom. Rookie card. All right. Mejia. Francisco Mejia. Kyle Seager. Max Stacy. And Cody Bellinger. All right. 2 packs left. This blaster will be in the books. Jacob deGrom. Jock Peterson. Jacob deGrom again. What is this? Oh, what? That's weird. Let's show you this. 2. Oh, one's League Leaders card. Oh, come on. That's not going to focus. But see in the background, I guess they have did a different angle. So that's a league leader card, and this is his regular card. That was just weird. I was like, what in the world? It was very similar until you see the league leader and stuff. Future star card, McKay. Okay, Starling Marte. Play for juniors, Acuna and Vladdy. Workman, Dalbeck. There's Tony Gwynn. Look at that. Sony logo card. It's an anniversary logo. That's pretty cool. Different insert. I remember that card from 1983. Dylan Carson. Rookie card. J.D. Davis. Roman Quinn. Tommy Edman. And Joey Gallo. All right, last pack. Last pack time. It's almost over. What are you going to do when this video is over? Go watch another video. All right. So we have Chatwood. Ah, there he is. Acuna in action. Look at that. Gurriel. Kennedy. Shane Bieber. Danny Duffy. Joe Adele. Rookie card. Stevenson rookie card. Alvarez rookie card. And then Goldie Goldschmidt insert. I just have a habit of looking on the back just in case if something's numbered or something. Hendrix, just a habit. Moron. And Maeda, Kenta Maeda. And Marvez, what? All right. All right, so a quick recap of all the inserts and stuff. So here we go. Got a lot of these. That's a different one. Okay, and then there's a foily, like silver foil. Strasburg, Donnie Baseball. Gleyber Torres, there's a Topps Chrome. Nice. A die cut. And then that. Got all kinds of stuff in this blaster. Quite a few inserts. And then this is the goodie, the patch card, 70th anniversary patch card I received. Eddie Matthews. That's what that looks like. All right. Hey, thanks for watching my blaster box break of 2021 Topps Series 1 baseball cards. Feel free to tap that like, share, and or subscribe button. Leave a comment if you like. I'll see you later.